How to use iCloud Passkeys on iPhone. Step 1. Launch the Settings app and select Passwords. Step 2. Choose Password options. Step 3. Ensure the Autofill Passwords and Passkeys option is turned on. Step 4. If iCloud Keychain is in use, ensure iCloud Passwords and Keychain is selected under the Use Passwords and Passkeys From section. Step 5. Go to a website that supports Passkeys, log in as usual, and look for a prompt to set up a passkey. If such an option isn't visible during login, verify your account settings. Step 6. Tap Continue. Step 7. Allow the Face ID scan to activate. Step 8. Tap Continue. Step 9. Next time you log into the account, tap Sign In with a passkey. Step 10. Tap Continue to sign in. Step 11. If prompted with Sign in to website.com with your saved passkey, click the Login button presented.